Welcome to my channel, Geknowpedia.
Today we will do spices quiz.
First question. Which spice is known as the queen of spices? Cardamom, cinnamon, saffron. The correct answer is cardamom. Second question. Which is the most expensive spice in the world? Vanilla, saffron, cardamom. The correct answer is saffron. Third question. Is both a spice and herb? Coriander, bay leaf, mint. The correct answer is coriander. Fourth question. It is obtained from the bark of the trees and may be used whole or dried and ground into a powder or to produce essential oil. Basil, oregano, cinnamon. The correct answer is cinnamon. Fifth question. It is the second most expensive spice after saffron and is used primarily in cooking, aromatherapy and perfume manufacturing. Saffron, vanilla, cardamom. The correct answer is vanilla. Sixth question. Which of these spices is the smallest in size? Soap, mustard seeds, ajwain. The correct answer is ajwain. Seventh question. Which spice is richest in antioxidants? Cumin, cinnamon, cloves. The correct answer is cumin. Eighth question. Which part of turmeric plant we use? Fruit, root, seeds. The correct answer is root. Ninth question. Comes in black, white and green. Pepper, mustard seeds, cumin. The correct answer is pepper. 10th question. Which spice are the dried flower buds of a tropical tree? Cardamom, cloves, cumin. The correct answer is cloves. 11th question. Which spice is being used to give pizza its characteristic flavor? Olives, pepper, oregano. The correct answer is oregano. 12th question. Which spice on chewing can alleviate toothaches? Cinnamon, cloves, cardamom. The correct answer is cloves. 13th question. Which herb added to soups and stews is usually removed prior to serving? Bay leaf, cinnamon, coriander. The correct answer is bay leaf. 14th question. Saffron is derived from which flower? Camellia, cayenne, crocus. The correct answer is crocus. 15th question. What is the basis difference between herbs or spices? Herbs come from the green, leafy part of a plant, while spices come from root, bark, seeds or fruit. Herbs are stronger than spices. Herbs are grounded whereas spices can be used whole. The correct answer is herbs come from the green, leafy part of a plant, while spices come from root, bark, seeds or fruit. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Like, share, comments.